In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden Password Manager. Let's start by understanding what Bitwarden is. Bitwarden is a robust and secure password manager that helps you store, manage, and protect your passwords and sensitive information all in one place. It's cross-platform, which means you can use it on any device, whether it's your computer, phone, or tablet. It's a fantastic tool to ensure your online accounts are safe and secure, without the hassle of remembering multiple complex passwords. Once you've logged into Bitwarden, you'll notice the interface is clean and intuitive, designed to make navigation simple. Over on the left menu, you'll see the first option called Vaults. This is your primary workspace where all your secured information is stored. In the vault, you can create, view, and organize your items, which include logins, notes, and any other type of information you want to keep safe. You can also create folders to categorize your items further and make them easier to find. The next section down is Send. Bitwarden. Send is a secure way to transmit sensitive information to other people. Whether it's a password you need to share with a relative or a secure note for a colleague, Send allows you to do this securely with cryptographic end-to-end encryption. You'll find this to be an invaluable feature if you often need to share sensitive data while maintaining security. Below Send, you'll find Tools. This section offers several utilities to enhance your experience. For example, you can generate strong, unique passwords using the Password Generator tool. This is critically important, as having different, strong passwords for each of your accounts is one of the best defenses against online threats. Additionally, tools like the Password Strength Checker can help you evaluate the security of your existing passwords. Further down in the menu, you'll see Reports. This section provides detailed insights into your security practices. Password reports, for example, will let you know if you have any weak or reused passwords that need to be changed. Breach reports can alert you if any of your stored accounts might have been compromised due to security breaches in services you use. Keeping an eye on these reports is key to maintaining a high level of online security. The final menu option is Settings. This is where you can personalize your Bitwarden experience to fit your needs. Customize your preferences, manage your two-factor authentication settings for added security, and configure your account security options. These adjustments ensure that Bitwarden is not only keeping you secure, but also providing a user-friendly experience tailored to you. Now you've gotten a good overview of Bitwarden and how to navigate its features efficiently. Remember, using a password manager like Bitwarden is a giant step towards enhancing your online security. It streamlines managing passwords, making sure you're protected across the board while minimizing the hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you master Bitwarden with confidence.